and fight for GTV. Please like, comment down, subscribe after watching. I will be sharing one of the most popular poems written by Robert Frost. Stopping by woods on a snowy evening. Whose woods these are, I think I know. His house is in the village though. He will not see me stopping here to watch his woods fill up with snow. My little horse must think it queer. Stop it up, a farmhouse near, between the woods and frozen lake. The darkest evening of the year. He gives his harness balls a shake to ask if there is some mistake. The only other sounds the sweep of easy wind and down the lake. These woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep.